Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, you'll want to hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show up, select Power Off. In a moment the device will turn off, and once it does so, hold power button and the volume up at the same time, and this will then redirect us to the boot mode. There we go. Once you have this mode open, using volume buttons, you want to have recovery mode visible right here, and then press power button to confirm that option. Next, again using volume buttons, we're going to scroll down and select Wipe Data, Factory Reset, press the power button, then select Yes, which we have one in the middle right here, confirm that, and it's finished. So we're going to now press power button once again, as Reboot System now is already selected. And this will take us, try to take us back to Android. It's first going to continue resetting the device, which will take the device about a minute or so to finish up. And once that's completed, we'll be taken to the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. Okay, never mind, that happened much quicker than I expected. So that's what she said. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.